Welcome back everyone. We're doing orange from Rainbow Friends. What will we need, Izzy?
We need black, white and orange playdoh. Also some starting to a spoon or a ruler.
Here we go.
Ooh.
So I'm shaping a piece of Play-Doh into a diamond shape where I will fold it over and this will form his top and bottom jaw. So that will be his mouth. Please remember to subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss out on new content.
Make a flat diamond shape, then fold it over.
Roll 2 little balls of white Play-Doh to form his eyes. Make sure they're nice and big so they stand up on it.
2 white balls for the eye.
Flatten 2 pieces of black Play-Doh to make his pupils.
Do black dot for the pupil.
So now I'm rolling a thin white piece and I'll be cutting this up to form little teeth. Make sure you shape each little piece like a tooth.
Roll a very thin log and cut out pieces to make teeth.
He has lots of teeth, so I'll just skip to the end.
The head is complete.
Now we can make his body with a longer piece of Play-Doh. Remember to make the end nice and pointy because that will be the end of his tail.
One long piece for the body and it with a thin tail.
Now we are making the legs. This will be 2 pieces of the same length. Remember to use the spoon or the tool just to help you smooth out these edges.
Two legs of equal length.
I'm making little cuts in his feet. And this is how we shape the toes. And we do the same thing on the other foot.
Two cuts in each foot to make the toe.
We'll make the arms the same way we made the legs.
Two arms of equal length.
Tell us how your orange is coming along. Let us know in the comments below. And now for for the little cuts to form the fingers. Same goes for the other hand.
To cut in each hand to make the finger.
So there you have it, everyone. That's our orange.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good.
And have fun.
Bye.
Bye.